Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Predecessor Error Code P-2002. The error reads, "An error occurred when connecting to Steam." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in, but are unable to proceed due to the connection issue with Steam. According to our research, this error likely happens because of the way the game is launched, missing updates, network problems, or Steam server maintenance. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your PC. Once it restarts, launch the game and check for the error. If the error still comes, then check how you are opening the game. If you are launching it through a desktop shortcut, then try launching it directly through Steam instead. Simply open the Steam client and find Predecessor in your library and launch it from there. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then check for any pending updates for Steam or the game itself. Make sure both are up to date, then check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try connecting your system over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network. Simply switch the network and launch the game again. Then check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then verify the game files through Steam. Simply open Steam and go to your library and right-click on Predecessor, select Properties, then go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then wait for the process to finish and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it could be due to Steam's weekly maintenance. Simply visit the steamstat.us and check the current server status. If the servers are down, then wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.